Hello, my name is Kynan and I work for the City of Canada Bay Libraries. Today I'll be showing you how to get started with your Microbit kit that you've borrowed from the learning space in Rhodes. Before we get started, I'd like to acknowledge the Wungal people of the Eora Nation, the traditional custodians of the land on which I'm speaking to you today, and I pay my respects to elders past and present. Now let's open up the STEM kit. In the kit, you'll find a Microbit in its box, the Microbit looks like this, and also in the kit is a USB cable. So what is a Microbit? A Microbit is a tiny computer that can be used to code many different things. It can be used to make games, show text and symbols, send messages to other microbits, play music, connect to sensors and motors, and much more. It can do many of the things that computers do, all in a small and fun package. I really like this platform because you can learn to code through fun activities. It lets you play and experiment to create whatever you want while learning about technology. Let's now get the Microbit working. To set up your Microbit, plug the USB cable into the Microbit and then into your computer. You can use any kind of computer for this with a USB port, or you can also use an iPad or another device. You might be able to see here that the Microbit has lit up on the front panel, and there'll also be a light on the back if the power is running correctly. There's a reset button here that you can press to reload the program. And there are two buttons on the front that you can use to interact and play with the Microbit. Now, for us to be able to code the Microbit, we go to the website makecode.microbit.org, which you can see on my screen here. This website lets you create code, see it in the simulator, and then install it on your Microbit. I'm going to show you a quick example of how we can code the Microbit. We can make our own program to show some symbols and text on the Microbit. To do this, we go to the code editor and create a new project. I'm going to create a new project here and give it the name Hello. So as you can see on my screen here, this is the Microbit editor, and from here we can code the Microbit by dragging blocks from the menus in the center to this space on the right. Let's click on the basic menu and drag and drop a show string into the on start block. I'll just move this one out of the way. You can see here on the left in the simulator that the code is running and it's saying the word hello. I'm going to change what the string says. I'm going to put my name in here so it says hello Kynan. And you can see in there that in the simulator that the text has now changed to have my name in it as well. We can also add other blocks. So I'm going to go back to the basic menu and grab one of these show icon blocks and drag it also into the onStart block below show string. Now you'll see there's some text followed by this heart icon. We can also drag a show LEDs block in underneath there to add more to our program. I'm just going to draw in a little icon there using the show LEDs block. Okay, now that we've made a program, this is how you download the program onto the Microbit. So you click here on this save icon, which will save the file to your computer. Then go to where the file is located. For me, I'm on a Mac, so it's in Finder. And click and drag the .hex file onto the Microbit. The Microbit will reload, and then it should start running our program. And as you can see here, it's now saying hello to me, and then we'll show some of the icons we put in. Feel free to experiment with this example. You can change the text and change the icons. You can also see what might happen if you move some of the blocks into the forever loop. You could also try making a little animation out of the icons or the show LED blocks. Now that you're set up and ready to go, you can find a fun activity ready to download from this Canada Bay Collaborate website. We've also included links to other websites where you can find more activities and easy to follow instructions. We hope you enjoy your Microbit STEM kit.